Hi, in this video I will talk about how we can use Hinge and some tricks, okay, because we received an email asking about how I can create a Hinge in a simple torus, okay. Then let's create a torus, okay. I will do any geometry, more or less, okay. And basically the concept is, when we try to create a hinge here, we will receive a message that says invalid geometry. It means something like I cannot create the booleans, okay. And let me ask you why, okay. It must be open solid, okay, because it must be a solid that can be splitted. For example, we have the torus. If we create a line, but this is pure Rhino, okay, this is pure Rhino, and then we want to extrude that, okay, in order to have that, create a surface in order to split the torus, okay. Then if we come here, and this is pure Rhino, okay, this is Rhino, we select the torus and the cutting object, and the split fail, okay. That's the same issue that we have in Hinge. Then my recommendation is, because it's thinking that you want to do a hinge to open two objects. For that reason, one way that you can do that is just splitting the object before. Then you can create, for example, let me go to the top view. Any geometry is fine, okay, even if you want to cut it in, okay, even in the small part here, but must be two objects. Then now we extrude, okay, we select solid and extrude, surface extrude. I always use the commands, and okay, then okay, now we have one torus. Let's create the hinge here. Then we come to components, we click on hinge, we select the torus, and we type a point, for example here. Invalid geometry, okay? I cannot do the boolean. Let's do one thing. We can now come to solid, boolean split, okay? And now we have two solids, okay? Splitting in where you want. It's not necessarily be in the middle of the object. No, even if you want to split something small here, I don't know. Then let's go to do the hinge. We select hinge, and just a trick, before select normal to surface, we will change that in order to be by default. And other point is, for example, here we have, as you can see, 8 millimeters, and the cut diameter must be bigger than that. Then my recommendation is to type something bigger, 12, 16, up to you, okay. And I will reduce the thickness, okay. Then we select the surface, we select any point, and voila, we have the hinge, okay. Then it's 1 millimeter. We can do it bigger, even if you want. You can do 2 or 3 or what you want, okay. And also you can do the internal diameter bigger, okay. Then that's all. Now you can do the boolean of this object with this object, or if you want to split it in other way here, okay. If you want to select, okay, from 0 and select here, and remember here you have the historical commands. Then now we can select here, split boolean, and split this one. Then that's all. Now you can do the boolean of, okay, of this object, and the boolean of this object, and that's it. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.